Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire have taken a decision to boycott this year's World Cocoa Foundation Partnership meeting, scheduled to take place from 26th to 27th October in Brussels. This is as a result of disagreements over pricing. Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire imposed two premiums, that is the origin differential and the living income differential, on their cocoa beans intended for tackling farmer poverty. However, multinational companies have been resisting payment of these premiums. The origin differential is an additional premium that is paid for cocoa from a particular country due to the quality of the cocoa beans and the reliability of performance. The living income differential is pegged at $400 per ton of cocoa. The origin differential and the living income differential are key factors in determining the prices of cocoa. According to Cote d'Ivoire Ghana Cocoa Initiative, the origin differentials in the two largest cocoa producing countries have fallen over 150% in the last 2 years. Reuters reports that the origin differential has fallen below zero in recent years as a result of pressure from traders, effectively cancelling out part of the other premium, which is the $400 per ton living income differential. The governments of Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire are therefore boycotting the World Cocoa Foundation Partnership meeting in order to protest this. Head of Public Affairs at Cocoa Board in Ghana, Fifi Boafo, has indicated that none of the Cocoa Board executives will be present at the meeting. The Director General of Ivory Coast Coffee and Cocoa Council, Eva Brahima Kone, also said he will not attend the meeting. The Ivorian Platform for Sustainable Cocoa and the Ghana Civil Society Cocoa Platform, comprising farmers, farmer-based organizations, cocoa cooperatives, small-scale processors, media and civil society organizations working in the cocoa sector, have voiced their support for this boycott. In a statement, they lamented about how cocoa farmers in Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire live in poverty because multinational cocoa and chocolate companies refuse to pay the right price for cocoa beans. They accuse them of hiding behind sustainability programs to avoid paying a living income for farmers. Therefore, cocoa farmers from the two countries, who together produce about 65% of the world's cocoa, end up earning less than 6% of the chocolate industry's total revenue, valued at about $130 billion per annum. They noted that in boycotting this event, the governments of Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire are sending a strong signal as well as a cry from their hearts. They underscored the need to put the issue of cocoa pricing at the center of the cocoa sustainability discussion. The World Cocoa Foundation Partnership meeting is the leading global conference on cocoa sustainability. It seeks transformative change in the cocoa supply chain through policy dialogue, joint learning, and knowledge sharing.